I have a patient in the observation unit by the name of Pat Benatar. He was diagnosed with hyperthyroidism. This order is for Synthroid 100 mcg PO, micromilligrams PO daily at 0600 for now and for today. It was signed by Dr. Who. I'm going to go into the Pyxis and grab the correct medication and verify that it is correct. So I have Synthroid 100 micrograms mcg, expiration is 11/20/38, and we're good for that, and it's for the patient by Pat Benatar. I'm going to go introduce myself to my patient now. Hey Pat, how are you doing? Good? Okay, can you verify your name and date of birth? Okay, good. So the doctor talked to you, yesterday? How he diagnosed you with hypothyroidism? Okay, so he has prescribed you Synthroid. It's a medication that's going to help rebalance your hormone levels. This means that your thyroid isn't making enough to keep your body at a normal level. So when they did your labs, a normal range is from 0.4 to 4.0 MUL, and yours was around 5. So that does indicate you do have hypothyroidism. The reason I'm waking you up so early is because one of the side effects is insomnia. So we try and do it as early as possible so it kicks in, but it doesn't keep you up all night. Okay? All right. Can you take a sip of water for me? Let's see how you swallow. Okay, did that go down okay? Okay. Can you verify your name and date of birth for me? Okay, and then what's your allergy that you have? Sulfa? Okay. Yeah, I see it here on the band also. Okay, good. I'm going to go into the computer, scan the wristband, boop, scan the medication, boop. All right, here you go. And document that I gave that medication. Did that go down okay? Okay. I will be back to check on you in a little bit. Let me know if you have any questions in the meantime. Here's your call light and your water. I'll come back to check on you, okay? All right. Thank you. I have a new patient by the name of Kelly Garrett. He was diagnosed with malnutrition. I have an order today for a multivitamin PO daily for now and for today, and it was signed by Dr. Who. I'm going to go into the Pyxis and make sure that medication is correct. So I have a multivitamin PO, and the expiration on that is 11/20/38, so we're good on that. I'm going to go talk to my patient and introduce myself. Hi Kelly, how are you doing? Good. My name is Kate. I'll be your nurse today, okay? So, did Dr. Who come talk to you? Yeah? Okay, so he did diagnose you with malnutrition, and he wanted to give you a multivitamin just to help with your nutritional levels. Have you had difficulty eating and swallowing lately? No? Okay, so what's going on? Just not hungry? Okay, well, so when they drew your labs, it showed that your protein level and your albumin level were a little low. So this multivitamin is going to help bring it back to a normal level, and then we're also going to try and get you to eat a little bit more, okay? All right. Do you have any difficulty swallowing? No? Okay. Can you verify your name and date of birth for me? Okay, and then what's your allergy? Okay, your allergy's on there. Okay, good. All right, can you take a sip of water for me? Okay, did that go down okay? I'll log into the computer. All right, I'm going to scan your wristband, scan the medication. Let's see the time in hand. All right, Ms. Kelly, are you okay with taking this medication? Okay, here you go. Here's some water. All right, I'm going to document that I gave that medication. Okay, I'm gonna come back and check on you in a little bit. Do you need anything in the meantime? No? Okay. Alright, here's your call light and your water, and I'll be back to check on you in a little bit, okay? So my patient by the name of Mickey Jackson is diagnosed with diabetes mellitus. The provider, Dr. Who, has ordered 6 units of regular insulin SQ for now and for today's date. I'm going to go into the MAR, make sure that the medication is correct. Okay, so we do have regular insulin, 6 units. Expiration is 10/20/23, so we're good on that. I'm going to grab all the things I need. I'm going to go talk to my patient. The PCT did check the blood glucose level. It was 150, so we're good to give the medication, and their food is on their way. Hi, Mickey. How are you doing today? Good? Okay. So can you verify your name and date of birth? My name is Kate. I'm going to be your nurse today. Can you verify your name and date of birth for me? Okay. And then any allergies? I don't have anything listed. No drug allergies? Okay, good. All right. So Dr. Who has prescribed insulin for you. It's going to be an injection. Have you ever had that before? Yeah, okay, that's what I figured. So your food is on its way. The PCT checked your blood sugar. I'm going to give you your 6 units that you need, okay? Does that sound like a good plan? Yeah? Okay, I'm going to scan your wristband, scan the medication. Can you verify your name and date of birth one more time? Okay, good. All right. Would you like it in your arm or your belly? In your arm? Okay. So, I'm going to sanitize my hands. I'm going to put on my gloves. Gonna draw back 6 units. So I have 6 units. Hey Jackie, can you verify that I have 6 units here? Okay, thank you. Okay, so I had sanitized that. Now I'm gonna sanitize this. I'm gonna pinch and go at a 45-degree angle. Okay, good. I'm gonna put it in the sharps container. Okay, Miss Mikey, did that go okay? Okay. I'm gonna verify that I gave him medication. I'm gonna sanitize my hands. All right, so here's your call light and your water. Enjoy your breakfast. If you need anything else, let me know, okay? All right, I'll be back to check on you in a little bit, okay?